If your Cardano wallet needs a boost, you're in the right place. Let's get that private key imported pronto. First things first, locate your private key. It's the long string of characters that holds the power to your wallet. Got it? Great. Next, choose a compatible wallet. Not all wallets can handle importing private keys, so do a little homework to find the right one. Now, open your chosen wallet and find the import or restore option. Usually, it's tucked away in settings or wallet management. Select import by private key and carefully enter your key. Double check for accuracy. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the process. When done, verify the import by checking your wallet balance. Easy peasy, right? Remember, treat your private key like a password. Never share it and keep it secure. Import only into trusted wallets to stay safe from phishing attempts. Need more help? Check out the wallet's documentation or support, and for top-notch security, consider a hardware wallet. Happy investing!